Section 1. Molten metal, solid potential, introducing aluminum ingots. Imagine a giant block of pure, solidified aluminum. That's an ingot. These silvery blocks are the building blocks of countless products we use every day. Aluminum ingots are like giant Lego bricks for manufacturers. They are melted down and reshaped into everything from car parts to soda cans. Aluminum is incredibly versatile, and that's why these ingots are so important. Aluminum starts its journey as bauxite ore, mined from the earth. This ore undergoes a fascinating transformation to become the shiny, lightweight metal we know and love. The process of turning raw bauxite into a useful ingot is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a combination of chemistry, engineering, and a touch of industrial magic. Section 2. From liquid to solid, the making of an ingot. The journey from bauxite to ingot is a hot one. First, the aluminum oxide in bauxite is extracted through a process called the pave process. This involves dissolving the ore in a hot solution of sodium hydroxide. Then an electrical current is passed through the solution, which separates out pure aluminum. This molten aluminum is then carefully poured into molds of various shapes and sizes. As the aluminum cools and solidifies, it takes the form of the mold, creating the ingots. The size and shape of the ingot depend on its intended use. Some industries need large blocks, while others require smaller, more manageable pieces. Section 3. Lightweight, durable and green. The advantages of aluminum. What makes aluminum so special? It's lightweight yet strong, making it ideal for cars and airplanes. It's also resistant to corrosion, so it lasts longer in harsh environments. And because it's endlessly recyclable, using aluminum is good for the planet. Think about a soda can. It's incredibly light yet strong enough to hold your drink. You can crush it easily, but it won't rust away in a landfill. These are the amazing properties of aluminum at work. From packaging to construction, aluminum's versatility is unmatched. Section 4. A grade above, different ingots for different jobs. Not all aluminum ingots are created equal. Different grades of aluminum are made by adding small amounts of other metals like silicon or magnesium. This changes the properties of the aluminum, making it suitable for specific applications. For example, A7 ingots are known for their excellent corrosion resistance and are often used in marine applications. ADC 12 ingots, on the other hand, are favored for their good casting properties and are commonly found in car parts. The automotive industry relies heavily on these specialized alloys. Section 5. Inquivix Technologies. Pioneers in aluminum ingot excellence. In the world of aluminum ingots, quality and consistency are paramount. That's where companies like Inquivix Technologies come in. They are leaders in producing high-grade aluminum ingots that meet the stringent demands of modern manufacturing. Inquivix Technologies uses cutting-edge technology to ensure that every ingot they produce meets the highest standards. Their commitment to quality and innovation has made them a trusted partner for businesses across a wide range of industries. They understand that the success of their customers depends on the quality of the materials they use. Section 6. The future is bright and made of aluminum. As we move towards a more sustainable future, the importance of aluminum will only continue to grow. It's lightweight, strong, and infinitely recyclable, making it the ideal material for a greener world. From electric cars to solar panels, aluminum is helping to build a brighter future. The next time you see a gleaming aluminum can, a sleek car, or a soaring airplane, take a moment to appreciate the humble aluminum ingot. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of a sustainable future. The possibilities are as vast as the human imagination.